Hi guys, it's Melanie. So Listings to Leads is up and ready to go. If you have not received an email from them with a username and password, please let me know and I will get you into the system. So this is going to be a quick tutorial. We are going to start classes and have you guys bring your laptops in and kind of work from there. But I just wanted to get you into the system so that you guys can see that you can move forward yourself on this. The home page that they have, there's a really great Get Started with Listings to Leads. They've got some really good tutorials in here with Facebook, open house, listing presentations. Your first one really should be your Get Started with Listings to Leads, and then you can see the week they actually have some really great classes that are just individual based on topic. So pick anything that you want there and go ahead and register for those classes. So when you go in here for the first time, you're going to have this home page. Now I'm going to pick an agent so that I can quickly get started here. We're going to go, let me just go with Melissa real quick. So this is what your screen is going to look like when you're in your profile. And you'll get that from here and profile on the right side. So you can see your account. If you have a CRM and you want to integrate it, you can go ahead and click on this. This is the ones that they integrate with. If not, no worries. You can enter everything right into Business Builder or into your Zap or whatever else that you are using for a CRM. That's for your leads that come in. So right off the bat, you'll see your information, company, if you want to put your license in there, your address, couple email addresses. Now this is if you have an email address that you need it to go, you want your listing sent to or your leads sent to, you're going to go ahead and click send listing leads. Your MLS information. This is the first thing I want you guys to check at. Go to the bottom here where it says MLS email and go into the MLS and find out what email address you are using. You do want these to match up. So make sure that you enter the same email address that's in your MLS. That way it can pull over any of your active listings and then make sure you hit save. So we're going to click on our preferences. Our preferences are, do we want to force registration? Do we want to enable Facebook registration to make it easy for somebody to click on? Do we want to make sure the phone number is in there? So there's a couple options in here that you can choose. Again, anytime you do this, make sure you hit save. Our social media accounts, this is another one you guys can edit. So you want to go in here and add your Facebook link on there. And if you guys are looking to see how you get those, let me just find Melissa real quick. And click on Melissa, and you can see this at the top is her link. So I'm just going to grab that for her, and you will just simply paste that in there. You'll do the same with your Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. If you have those, make sure you hit the save feature. This will help put a little icon so somebody can find you on social media. If you guys want to go ahead and change your username and your password, you'll do that in your credential button. Again, make sure you hit save. Automation, this is just if you want your e-flyers to go. And our lead gen signature. If we have something that we want specific in there, we can edit this. And I'm not going to change too much for right now, so I just want you guys to make sure you go in and hit your preferences. Check those out. If you have a legal description in New Jersey, we have to have our license number on everything. On the bottom of our websites, we should have broker of record is Melanie Baggs, Century 21 Veterans. You can add that there, and again, your social media account. So if we want to move forward and grab listings, remember I told you can grab any listing that's at the office. You guys will, in your profile, just right from here, your profile button, you're going to hit grab an active listing. We're going to enter the zip code and the MLS number and just click that box that says this is my listing. You are good to go. If we have a HUD listing that is on the market on the HUD home store, you can do the same with that, except you need a case number. When you grab it, it'll pull an active listing in for you. If you guys have coming soons that you want to start marketing out on social media, you guys are going to click the new listing button. You're going to enter it. Here's a coming soon. You enter everything exactly kind of like you would in Trend. Now, Britt's not trained yet on this, but by next week, I think you guys will be good to go with giving her your information and telling her you only want it to be in listings to leads. Let me get on to our agent tab and let me click on, so you guys will have a tab up here that says listings. If you have active listings, you will see them. So we can edit our listing. We have our task button, which I showed you guys in class. This is awesome. This will tell you everything that you can do and can check off. So did you post your social media ads? You can click here. It's going to walk you through the landing page, what it looks like. This one has an open house already that was in trends, so the open house is listed here. If I want to edit the image for Facebook, I'm just going to click right here. And then all I literally have to do is click the Facebook little icon, type up something, and hit the post to Facebook down here, and it has posted a cute little image on Facebook. Let me show you guys what that looks like. Just like this. And when I click on that, it will go to Lindsay's page. If I were to register, I could simply click the continue with Facebook or sign up with my email, and Lindsay would then receive an email on her system that would say, hey, you have a new lead. So I hope that helps for right now. I know this is really quick. I know there's a lot of stuff. And again, we will be doing classes. So I'm not going to click that she's done that, but if you guys do, you can click this off, give a date that state that it's all done. I'm going to uncheck it. There's a bunch of different things here on the task that you guys can work through. So again, make sure you go in, do your profile. If you want to grab a listing, that's great. I will set up class and I will get it out as fast as I can and try to get a night class in there for us. Thanks much.